Hello everyone, this is Chris with StickerFab. Today I'm going to go and do a little overview of the FitcamX for the 2021 and up Ford Bronco. First I'm going to show you what you get in the package. Alright, so this is what comes in the box. First, sorry about this background. I was trying to do some other templates at the time and just wanted to get through this because someone had a question that we'll address later. I didn't know much about this company, honestly, until I purchased another vehicle and realized that a lot of the users were picking this up. What I like about this company is they find a trim piece they can replace and put a camera. And this is what they replace in the Ford Bronco. That big plastic box you have to the right of your mirror, that's where they install the front camera. And you can see it makes it a little bit taller, but you get the camera right there. On the back side of this, we have the power input, and then we have the rear camera cable. Now this comes also in a 2K front and rear. I think the rear camera is 1080 on that. The rear camera is 1080 on this one as well. And it comes with a front 4K only version. Now, because this cable is already built into this camera, you can't just add the rear camera if later you decide on doing it. I think the front camera only is a good choice for people that have the soft top because there isn't really a good way to mount the rear camera. Whereas in the hardtop, which I'll show you in a second, has a really good way to do it. Here's the rear camera. It has a little bit of 3M that you'll be able to stick on your glass. Here's the cable that connects right there. And then they have a quick disconnect towards the rear. And that will come in really handy so you can take your hardtop off and disconnect that at the same time. The reason why on our website we says this only fits mid-package and up is because you have to have the auto-dimming camera in your vehicle. And if you don't have the mid-package or up, you don't have that. What this does is take power off of that. It feeds, has this inline wire that will power the whole camera setup. Now, there is a caveat to that. If you get the parking hardwire kit, and I'll show you how that plugs in, you could use this on any 2021 and up Ford Bronco. That would give you the option to also run this kind of in a parking mode situation. So if it detects something, it will start recording. The last couple of things they give you here are a trim tool, a user manual, and a micro SD card reader. By default, these all come with this 64 gigabyte micro SD. It also is capable of using a 128 gigabyte micro SD, and you get these 5 clips for this wire that goes to the rear. I don't think you need them. I'll show you my setup right now. Alright, so as I mentioned earlier, I didn't know about this camera, so I had been using black views in all of my vehicles, but this is a front and rear camera setup. It doesn't take power from the mirror. I had to hardwire it, and what I did was hardwire it right down here. Let's pull this panel off. This is also where you would install our fuse box labels. So, give this a little tug. Alright, so if you had our fuse box labels, you just put that right there, and you have a good hint at which fuse goes to what. This is a constant power source, and it's right here. 1, 2, 3 down on the right side. You might have been able to hear my camera say it's powering down because I took the constant power off. And for your accessory power, you go right here on the left side, 1, 2, 3 up. So this only has power when the vehicle is on. The FitcamX hardwire kit, like I said, it gives you the ability to run the camera when it detects impact and the vehicle's off. Of course, you can do the plug and play, and then you don't have to use their fuse taps right here, or their piggyback fuses. I'll put that up in a second. So most people will opt to use the mirror power. There's just a little harness back there that clips in and out. And then to get to the rear of the vehicle, I ran a cable up and over, and down here, you just pull back all these trim pieces, continue to go right here, and then you'll open the rear door. You'll go behind these panels. They just have pop clips. And then I went straight up to here because I was running out of room. The cable runs all the way back, and in my setup, it's that gold cable right there. Let's look at the back of the vehicle. The camera is mounted right there in the center, and when you close it, it doesn't pinch anything because it's run behind this trim panel. So you will need to remove these Torx screws, run it behind there, screw it back in, and then this piece has 2 Torx right there. You just run it in there. I'm running it right next to the rear windshield wiper fluid and some other cables. And you can see it run back to the front. You will want to place that disconnect somewhere where you can take it off really quickly when you are taking your hardtop off, so it continues to give you the freedom of running without a hardtop on those nice days. So with the FitcamX replacing that, your front camera will hang down a little bit below that black spot. And it's going to replace this trim panel right here. You have better access to see that cable behind the mirror. So we're now going to stock these at our office in Fort Myers, just so you guys can get them quicker. This is great protection, great way to cover your ass if someone gets in an accident with you and you are not at fault. I think we're probably going to put one of these in our Badlands because my 17-year-old daughter drives that. A lot of the times when young people get in accidents, the drivers are automatically going to try to blame the younger driver. You really wouldn't believe how many funny things you can catch on these dash cams when you're running them all the time. Also, if you guys like to go off-roading, you can capture some great 4K footage from the front camera. If you have the front and rear, you can grab some 1080 from the rear. Maybe your buddy's following you. You can get some good coverage of his off-roading as well. So please like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're watching this on YouTube, and hit that bell notification icon for the latest and greatest things we're coming out with for the 2021 and up Ford Bronco.